There's 3/5 of a pie left. If 4 friends wanted to share the pie equally, how much would each friend receive? Change it to multiplication and flip the second one over. 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times 4 is 20. So each friend gets 3/20 of the pie. In 2 hours, Holden completed 3/4 of his race. How long will it take Holden to complete the entire race? Two times 4 is 8. There's an invisible 1 underneath. And 1 times 3 is 3. 3 can go into 8 2 times because 3 times 2 is 6. Then we need 2 more to get to 8. So that is 2 2/3 of an hour. Number 9 says, Sam cleaned 1/3 of his house in 50 minutes. How many hours will it take him to clean the entire house? If we want 50 minutes to be changed to hours, we first need to know how many minutes are in 1 hour. And there are 60 minutes in an hour. So he worked for 5/6 of an hour. Now, he cleaned 1/3 of his house in that much time. So he needs to divide by 1/3. And we're going to flip and multiply. We can reduce here. 3 goes into 3 once, and 3 goes into 6 twice, which gives us 5/2. Or if we waited, we could do 5 times 3 is 15, 6 times 1 is 6, and reduce to get 5/2. To change this into a mixed number, 2 fits into 5 2 times, because 2 times 2 is 4. Then we need 1 more to get to 5. So 2.5 hours to clean his whole house.